Last weekend, my daughter and I stayed in a tiny house. It is part of a whole tiny house community, which was really, really cool. It's located in northern Arizona. The tiny house community is called Luxtony, and it was fun to see all the different tiny houses. We had a self-check-in with a keypad, so that was cool to be able to just get in ourselves. This is a 400 square foot tiny house with 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. So this is the living room space with the couch. It does have that little desk over there in the corner that can be pulled out. And it's cool because this couch actually folds down into a bed if you're needing some extra space. There also isn't a permanent table, so they provide you with a folding table and a couple of extra chairs. So let's go ahead and check out the first bedroom. This is actually the taller of the 2 bedrooms. In tiny homes, often there is just loft spaces. So this one is actually pretty cool. It has a door. And I could stand up no problem right here at the beginning. The roof does tend to lower as you get closer to the head of the bed. There's 2 windows, which was really nice. A light right overhead, and this nice closet area with shelves. And they provided a ton of extra blankets, even a couple of electric blankets. One of the great features of this tiny home is that both mattresses in the bedrooms are purple mattresses. This is my first experience ever sleeping on a purple mattress, and let me tell you, it was fantastic. Moving on to the kitchen, I really felt that they used the space nicely. It did have a full-size oven in the kitchen, which is kind of rare in a tiny house, but it was very, very nice. The sink was large, and it had a very nice faucet on it. I love having a nice upgraded faucet. And they gave you everything that you would need in order to cook a meal. They had plates and bowls, they had measuring cups and all the pots and pans that you would need. They even provided you with a few staples just in case you were missing a few items. I loved the way that they used the space on the stairs. They used all the little nooks and crannies underneath, made little cubbies, even for the microwave. How cute is that? And definitely one of my favorite parts of this kitchen is this super cute light yellow vintage refrigerator freezer. I love those handles, those silver handles that you had to pull out. This was a really cute touch to the kitchen. It fit right in there perfectly under the stairs, and it was super cute. The laundry room had a washer and dryer combo, which was nice because we did need to do a lot of laundry. However, it did take quite a long time to dry. The full bath was wonderful. It had a tub and a shower, a toilet, sink, a lot of space to move around in there, which I really liked, instead of just being really tiny in there, so that was very nice. There was a cute pocket door that closed so that you could have your privacy in the bathroom. So now let's go check out bedroom number 2. As you come up the stairs, you'll notice that there is no door and that this bedroom is really more of a loft bedroom. The ceiling is also a little bit shorter in this room, and the bed is just laying there right on the floor. It is a queen mattress, and again, it is a purple mattress, so very, very comfortable. There's less space over here, and there is not a closet. This is just kind of an overview of the whole place from up high on the stairs. And I was really impressed with how spacious it felt once you got inside. So we really liked staying in this cute little tiny house Airbnb, and the neighborhood was adorable with all the cute tiny houses. But the greatest part was that we were very, very close to my son and his wife and our new little grandbaby who had his first birthday this weekend. It was so great to be there and to celebrate with them.